Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
Natural Ayurvedic home remedies for epilepsy. Number 1. Ash Gourd. Things you need: ash gourd and licorice root powder. Direction: take 1 bowl of crushed ash gourd, press it on a sieve and extract the juice. To that, add 2 teaspoons of licorice root powder and mix well. Dose: drink it once daily. Number 2. Coconut oil. Things you need: extra virgin coconut oil. Direction: have 1 teaspoon of extra virgin coconut oil. Dose: consume this thrice a day. Number 3. Milk and garlic. Things you need: milk, water and garlic. Direction: mix together half cup of each water and milk. Boil it for few minutes. Then add 4 to 5 garlic cloves and boil until the mixture reduces to half. Strain it and drink. Dose: drink it once daily. Number 4. Vegetable juices. Things you need: beetroot, carrot and cucumber. Direction: extract 2 cups of carrot juice. To that add 1 cup of each cucumber and beetroot juice and mix well. Dose: drink it daily. Number 5. Chamomile tea. Things you need: chamomile tea powder and water. Direction: add 1 teaspoon of chamomile powder to a glass of water. Boil it for few minutes, strain it and drink. Dose: drink it twice a day. Number 6. Exercise. Things you need: time. Direction: do warm up and stretching exercise every day to feel more relaxed. Dose: do it daily. Number 7. Basil leaves. Things you need: basil leaves and water. Direction: chew 5 to 6 basil leaves every day, or add few basil leaves to a glass of water and boil it for few minutes, strain it and drink. Dose: have this daily. Number 8. Grape juice. Things you need: grapes. Direction: drink a glass of grape juice. Dose: drink it every day. Number 9. Lime. Things you need: lime, water and baking soda. Direction: add half teaspoon of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of lime juice to a glass of warm water. Mix well and drink. Dose: drink it daily. Number 10. Coconut water. Things you need: coconut water. Direction: drink coconut water daily. Dose: drink it twice a day. Thank you for watching.